अस्सलामुअलैकुम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम ASF ASI टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन मोस्ट MCQs को डिस्कस करेंगे। विच इज़ द लार्जेस्ट वोल प्रोड्यूसिंग कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड? ऑस्ट्रेलिया। विच कंट्री फर्स्ट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड पाकिस्तान? ईरान। एंटोनियो गुतेरेस बिलोंग्स टू विच कंट्री? Portugal. Who founded the Mughal Empire in the subcontinent? Babur. What is the synonyms of victory? Success. What is the antonym of curtail? Prolong. What is the holy book of Hinduism? Vedas. How many times do you see 7 when counting from 1 to 100? 19 times. How many sands are there in 27 minutes? 1620 seconds. Which radio station came into existence before the formation of Pakistan? Peshawar radio station 1935, Lahore radio station established in 1937 and Dhaka radio station established in 1939. When was the established of the Muslim League? 30 December 1906, Dhaka, Bangladesh. When was Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf established? 25 April 1996. What is the name of the water agreement between Pakistan and India? Indus Waters Treaty in September 1960. What is the name of border between Pakistan and India? Red Clough Line. 17 August 1947, 3,323 kilometer and 2065 mile. When did the Quaid-e-Azam join the Muslim League? 1913. When did Quaid-e-Azam leave the Congress? 1920. Which political party did Allama Iqbal support? Muslim League. When was the Indian Independent War fought? 10 May 1957 to 1 November 1858. Which city of Pakistan is called Manchester? Faisalabad. Which city of Pakistan is called Switzerland? Swat Valley. Which city of Pakistan is called the City of Lights? Karachi. Which is the largest province of Pakistan in terms of population? Punjab. Which is the largest province of Pakistan in terms of area? Balochistan. Which is the second largest province of Pakistan? Punjab. Which is the third largest province of Pakistan? Sindh. Which is the smallest province of Pakistan in terms of area? Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Silk Road was built with the help of which country? China. Which famous river passes through the heart of Lahore? River Ravi. Which is the biggest cricket ground stadium in Pakistan? National Stadium Karachi. Which is the largest and busiest port of Pakistan? Port of Karachi. Unionist Party was formed on which date? 1923. Who is the current Prime Minister of Pakistan? Shahbaz Sharif since 4 March 2024. Which Prime Minister of Pakistan has shortest tenure? Noorul Amin, 7 December 1971, 20 December 1971 and 13 days. What is the currency of Egypt? Pound. In which year of Hijri did Zakat become obligatory? 2 Hijri. Which companion was given the title of Amirul Ummat? Abu Ubaidah ibn al-Jarrah. Which is the first inspired book? Torah. How many times is the name of Hazrat Musa alayhi salam in the Holy Quran? 136 times. What is the name of the first mosque built by the Prophet, peace be upon him? Masjid-e-Quba. Which prophet lived in the belly of a fish? Prophet Yunus alayhi salam. What was Abu Jahl's real name? Amr bin Hisham. How long was the Khilafat of Umar Farooq Radiyallahu Ta'ala anhu? 10 years 73 days. What is the name of the current president of USA? Donald Trump. On January 18, 2024, Pakistan carried out airstrikes on terrorist headquarters in which country? Iran. When were the current elections held in Pakistan? 8 February 2024. What is the name of the current election commissioner of Pakistan? Sikandar Sultan Raja. Russia is at war with which country? Ukraine. What is the name of the current governor of Punjab? Sardar Salim Haider Khan. 10 May 2024. Who introduced the law of motion? Newton. UNO headquarters is located in New York. When was UNO founded? 24 October 1945. Old name of Netherlands is Holland. Yen is the currency of Japan. Naqsh-e Faradi is written by Faiz Ahmad Faiz, who is founder of All India Congress. A.O. Ayum, 28 December 1885. Which was the capital of British India before Delhi? Kolkata. What is the name of the largest river in Pakistan? Indus River. How many districts are there in Punjab? 42 districts. Badshai Masjid in Lahore was built by which Mughal emperor? Aurangzeb. When was Badshai Masjid built in Lahore? 1671 to 1673. Which is the second highest peak in Pakistan? Nanga Parbat. What is the border between Pakistan and Afghanistan called? Durand Line. 2640 kilometers and 1640 mile. What is the name of the capital of Afghanistan? Kabul. What is the national animal of China? Panda. Which is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.